this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoes. And I know the memories are with me, even when you move to a town that is new. Guess I tend to hold on too strong, but you're always home. You're always home to me. Up those gray stay wooden stairs, me and Jess would play pretend of time traveling, company around the table, seat by the windows where I learned piano. And I'm scared things change too quickly. The time tales from mom sing loud in my heart. And I know I'm not alone. You're always home. You're always home to me. So we'll make room for something new. So I'm not little anymore. I'll always need you. And I know the memories are with me, even when I've grown to a place of my own. Please remember, I'll love you forever. You're always home. You're always home.
all that we could be. No other dream I've had means a thing. Kids and a picket fence sounds good to me. But growing old hand in hand is all I need. As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger. I don't need more time to know that forever, love, you will be mine through it all, my dear. I will be yours year after year. Looking at all we've done, we've had it good. When nothing else seemed to last, our love, it stood. As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger. I don't need more time to know that forever, love, you will be mine through it all, my dear. I will be yours year after year.
아주 오래전인 것만 같은 오늘 하루, 아무 일 없다는 듯한 너의 말투, 미지근한 온기 가득한 할 일 없이 난 방황 안에 숨을 뱉어봐도 더 이상 예전 같지 않아. 텅 빈 휴리 속에 갇혀있는 것만 같아. 지금은 너무나 달라. 너를 사랑했던 것만큼 나 다시 널 사랑할 수 있을까? 그저 버티기만 하는 걸 마음속 소리 없는 말에 괴로워 무엇보다 너를 사랑했던 내 맘이 죄인가 봐. 아픔 모르겠고 과거는 내 뜻에서 다시 어둠으로 떨어지려 해.